Welcome back everyone to Heather's East Kitchen. On today's video, we are making fried cabbage with two kinds of chicken sausages. We are using apple chicken and we are using a spinach and feta chicken sausage. And we're also going to be adding a chopped onion to this dish. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, and make sure you subscribe and like this video because that really does help support my channel. And for all the return subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is chop up our cabbage and rinse it off. And there is no right or wrong way when breaking down your cabbage. Just do it whatever way you like. All right, so now that the cabbage is all chopped up, now we're going to work on this onion and get that chopped up. And again, chop it any way you want, guys, because it all mixes in really well once you start cooking it. So it doesn't matter what shape or what size you cut your onion. Alrighty, now the last part, we're going to go ahead and get these sausages chopped up, guys. I do make mine about 2 inches thick. You can make them thicker than that if you like, but I didn't want mine too thick. All right, guys, I'm just giving you an up close and personal look at how this spinach and feta sausage looks. It really did taste tasty in the cabbage, guys. This was my first time using this type of sausage, but I really did enjoy how it made my cabbage taste. It really brought out some burst of flavors when I added the two together to this dish. All right, and this is the close-up of the apple sausage, guys, and this one really is good. This was my favorite out of the two sausages. I liked them both, but this apple one really did put a nice taste to it. All right, guys, so everything is all chopped up and ready to go. So now we're going to head on over to the stove and get this dish put together. These are the two pans that I'm going to be using today for this meal. My deep dish pan is going to be for the cabbage, and the thinner one, or shall I say the more hollow one, is going to be used for the sausage. I'm just going to put a little bit of olive oil in my pan, guys, just to kind of moisturize it for my sausages to cook. So now that the pan is heated up, we're going to go ahead and cook these sausages on medium to low heat for about the next 15 minutes. Because I do want to let it slow cook to let all those spices and all that seasoning to kind of just release from the meat. All right, so you want to go ahead and put your lid on. So this is going to help it to slow cook and let them flavors just infuse out of there. And now let's get this cabbage together, guys. So I do put a little olive oil in this pan as well. And then we're going to drop our cabbage in here. And don't worry, guys, I know it looks like my pan is overfilled, but cabbage does cook down quite a bit, so it's okay to fill that pan up because it's all going to simmer down and be pretty much little or nothing. So I'm adding a lot now, but it won't be a lot later, guys. All right, so this is the part where we're going to season our cabbage. I do season the top, and you know I'm using my staple season. I love to use my Morton's because it has a lot of the seasonings all in one. So you're going to go ahead and season the top of your cabbage, and once it cooks down some, then you're going to go ahead and stir it up and season it some more. All right, so I'm going to sprinkle a little garlic powder on there, guys, because I love garlic. But, you know, you can use whatever seasoning you like, guys. This is just what my household likes when I season it. So you can use whatever you like as long as you get it seasoned to your taste buds, guys. All right, so now that our cabbage is on, we're going to go ahead and check on these sausages. You do want to check your sausages periodically during the cooking process because you don't want them to burn. But I do like mine's a little crisp, not too crisp, but I do like a little crisp on my sausages. But go ahead and cook them to the doneness that you want or how you would like them to be. It's all going to turn out the same and taste delicious. All right, so now that the cabbage has cooked down some, we're going to go ahead and add the onions to the pan because I do want them to cook together. So this is the time where you want to add your onions to the dish. Okay, so now that the onions are in, you want to go ahead and sprinkle a little bit more season on top, whatever seasoning you're using for your dish. And then put that lid back on and let it continue to simmer. All right, now it's time to check up on our sausages. They are looking really, really good right now. And the scent that's coming out of my kitchen right now, guys, it is smelling so good, guys. I wish y'all can smell how everything's mixing in together in the air. Okay, so now that this sausage are done, it's been about 15 minutes. We're going to go ahead and add those sausages to the cabbage. While the cabbage still continues to cook, we're going to add the sausage so that flavor can get mixed in with our cabbage, so it can give it a new flavor explosion to this cabbage. All right, so now that your sausage is added, go ahead and give it a stir, guys. You want to let it stir and mix in all together. You want to mix it well. The cabbage is almost done too, guys, so we're only going to let this continue to cook together for like the last 10 minutes of the cooking process, and then you're going to be done with this cabbage and you're going to be ready to enjoy this dish. All right, everybody, so here is my finished product, guys. It's still simmering a little bit, so I just turned off the flame. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting my channel. It really means a lot to me. And don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.